Hello everyone, here are some easy and simple hairstyles that you can make at home. First, make a ponytail, then braid the upper part of the hair, then divide the hair into two parts and braid them eventually. And then pull out the strands as shown in the video and tie it from below and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then divide it into two parts, tie the upper part and roll it once, then pull out the below part within, then pull out it from above and then braid the first part of the hair, then braid the second part and then the third, and it's done. Moving on, braid the hairs from the front, then roll it above, then tie the hairs into half, then roll it once, then take some hairs from the side and tie it and again roll it and it's done. Moving on, tie a ponytail leaving some parts of the hair from the front, then braid the ponytail, then roll it into a bun, then roll over the hairs around it and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then braid the hairs as shown. Continue doing it. Remember to pull out some hairs from the side. Do it accordingly. It helps causing volume in the hair. Then tie it from below and pin it up and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then roll the hair as shown. After doing it, make a bun, give it a finishing look, then roll the leftover hair and insert the leftover part inside it. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then after doing it, hold it from the middle, then apply pressure to the ponytail so that it goes above and then give it a finishing look into a bun. After doing it, pin it up and it's done. Moving on, first make a ponytail, then divide it into two, then roll it over, then after doing it, encircle the hairs above and pin it up and it's done.